Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all. Firstly, we would like to express our gratitude to Sir Muhammad Shafiq bin Muhammad Saleh for guiding us. Allow me to introduce Group 1, myself FAZILAH Muhammad IZROI, along with ZALIMATON OSMAN, Muhammad KHAFIZUDDin Muhammad Ali and ASMAWEE Ahmad Mustafa. Today, we are diving into Ikea strategies inspired by Don Goldworm's TDX talk on emotion control and behavior influence. Our goal to uncover how IKEA handles emotion, empowers its team, delights customers, and drive top-notch performance. We'll show you how these strategies work together to keep IKEA thriving. Strategies impacted to organization success. First up, let's talk about effective communication. Clear communication keeps things running smoothly and decision on point. Next, IKEA's open collaboration spaces foster teamwork and creativity. This environment fuels innovation, leading to exciting new products. Then, there's learning and development. IKEA invests in its employees, making them more skilled and productive. Lastly, IKEA's inclusive culture and diversity bring fresh ideas to the table. It boosts morale, loyalty, and performance. In a nutshell, these strategies create a positive workplace and drive success in productivity, innovation, employee happiness, and customer satisfaction.
Hi, I'm ZALIMATON. I will present on employee emotion. IKEA demonstrates a strong commitment to fostering a positive and supportive work environment through employee emotion. Emotional regulation training to help employees identify and regulate their emotion, encourage healthy emotional expression, promote an environment where employees feel comfortable expressing their emotion, implementing feedback mechanism, open communication between manager and employee, leading by example. Manager can demonstrate emotional intelligence and regulation, self-acceleration needs. IKEA always give a motivation to their employee to provide a career development. For example, promoted their staff, good working condition, provide a relaxed and comfortable working environment, give and reward. IKEA reward loyal and dedication through a long service award, seasonal celebration, birthday gift, and token appreciation. Lastly is IKEA also provide a maternity until 4 consecutive months, and for paternity leave, 4 weeks of paid laid off.
Hi, my name is ASMAWEE. My part will explain about good customer experience or satisfaction. IKEA prioritization of inclusive culture, diversity, well-being initiative, and effective communication channels significantly enhance customer satisfaction by fostering a welcoming shopping environment and enabling happier, more engaging employees to deliver exceptional service. For example, immersive in-store experience, movie like room, touch and feel display, and a vision quest layout create a unique and engaging atmosphere, catering to all ages. Fun for kids, comfortable for adults, and strategically placed food option keep everyone happy. Culture inclusivity, acknowledge diverse culture and situation, fostering a welcoming environment. In-home fulfillment, DIY satisfaction, customer build furniture, gaining a sense of accomplishment and personal connection to the product. Smart home integration, expanding into the smart home market, offering new functionality and staying relevant, forever evolving. IKEA continues to innovate and find new way to engage customer in their homes. Digital transformation, seamless experience. Customer can design kitchen, interact with catalogs, order online, pick up in store, and envision product in their home using AR technology. Adaptability, continuously evolve digital offering to meet changing consumer preference and utilize mobile habits. Global reach, digital offering, cater to international audience and remain dynamic.
Hi, my name is Hafiz and we'll present about company performance. IKEA's strong financial performance drive investment in employees, customers, and growth through three-pronged approaches. First, employee well-being investment. IKEA offers competitive wages, comprehensive health plans, and parental leave policies that promote employee satisfaction and loyalty. Besides, as a work-life balance initiative, IKEA implementing flexible working arrangements, on-site childcare options, and generous vacation allowances contribute to employee well-being and reduce stress. Second, customer experience investment. To improve store experience, IKEA is constantly updating store layout, investing in interactive display, and offering customer service training to improve the overall shopping experience. Enhancing digital transformation, investment in online platforms, mobile apps, and augmented reality tools enable seamless visualization of products, efficient ordering, and convenience delivery options. Third, organization development investment. In sustainability initiative, IKEA invests in renewable energy sources, sustainable materials, and responsible procurement practice, aligning with customer values and future-proofing its operations. For innovation and product development, IKEA dedicates resources to research and development, introducing new furniture solutions, integrating smart homes, and mapping a new market opportunity. As a conclusion, investment IKEA on their employees to fostering a positive work culture, competitive pay, training for improvement opportunities and promotion, create a loyal workforce, contribute to positive and healthy work environment. Aside, the customer experience through engaging store, seamless digital interaction, and customer empowerment initiative makes IKEA continues to be a leader in its category. Thank you.